Okay, part 2 of the mini brand cooking thing. So now I have this little cute spatula grabber, tongs, and this little pizza cutter, and this puppy. I don't know what this puppy is for. And I got a how to make cookbook. I feel like everything's gonna fall. It might have to be a part 4. I think that's paint. You guys type in the comment what the heck this is, but if the comment doesn't show up, do it in my next video, and if it doesn't happen in my next video, do it in any of my videos, I'll understand. Little tiny baby stickers, and read me first instructions how to make it. Okay. See you in a sec. Hold on. BRB.